Let's look at another example of solving a literal equation for a variable when it is sitting in a rational equation. So in this one, we have rk over little r is equal to xe over k plus x, and we want to solve for the variable x. Notice that this is a fraction equal to a fraction, one fraction equal to another fraction. In this case, what is the easiest technique? We're going to think cross multiply. So we're going to take R, capital RK times little k plus x in parentheses and set that equal to the other diagonal multiplied, which is RXE. Now, I don't know about you, but I see that capital RK times a binomial, and I'm just going to go ahead and distribute so that we have three simplified and separate terms. Now, what are we trying to solve for? What are we trying to get it by itself? The letter x, the variable x. Notice there's one on the left and one on the right. We can't just divide both sides by little re because then there's still x's involved. So we're going to have to use our together factor divide technique. We need to get all of the terms that have an x in them together on one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract capital RKX over to the right-hand side. That'll give me RK squared is equal to little rxe minus capital RKX. So there's our together step. Once we have all of the x's together on one side of the equation, how do we go from multiple down to one? Well, what's common in both of these is the letter x. So that's what we're going to use to factor out. So we're going to factor out the letter x, and that'll give me x times little re minus big RK. And now, so that's my factor. To get the x by itself, we're going to divide by that thing in the parentheses. So our final answer will be rk squared over little re minus big RK. Final answer.